Many people overlook papaya seeds despite their numerous health benefits. But did you know these tiny, crunchy seeds are rich in nutrients and have incredible medicinal properties? This video will explore the ways papaya seeds can help improve your overall health. You'll discover how to incorporate these seeds into your diet and reap the rewards, from boosting your immunity to aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Find out why papaya should be a part of your daily wellness routine. So don't wait any longer. It's time to learn about the power of papaya seeds. Here are the best health benefits of papaya seeds. 1. Papaya seeds support healthy guts. Papaya seeds contain numerous compounds that are beneficial to digestive health. They include enzymes such as papain, which help break down proteins in the gut, stimulating digestion and aiding nutrient absorption. Papaya seeds are also a rich source of dietary fiber, which helps bulk up stools and prevents constipation. This fiber acts as a prebiotic to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut and can reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, papaya seeds contain high levels of antioxidants that can reduce inflammation within the digestive tract. The anti-inflammatory properties also make papaya seed extract an effective remedy for heartburn or acid reflux by reducing stomach acid production. Finally, research suggests that consuming papaya seed extract may provide protection against foodborne illnesses like salmonella and E. coli due to their antimicrobial properties. In summary, incorporating papaya seeds into your diet can offer multiple benefits for digestive health due to their enzyme content, fiber content, antioxidant levels, and antimicrobial effects. 2. Papaya seeds help with weight management. Papaya seeds are known to be a powerhouse of nutrition, featuring an array of health benefits. One of the most notable benefits is that they can help you lose weight. Papaya seeds contain papain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and aid digestion. It makes it easier for the body to absorb nutrients while speeding up metabolism. This process can lead to increased fat burning. Additionally, papaya seeds are rich in dietary fiber, keeping you feeling full for longer. This way, you won't overeat or snack too much throughout the day. Finally, papaya seeds have a low caloric content, helping your body fight off fat cells more effectively. All these factors contribute towards losing weight naturally when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet plan. 3. Papaya seeds are excellent for the kidney. Papaya seeds are high in essential fatty acids and fiber that help reduce inflammation and improve kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, phenolic compounds, and polyphenols. These compounds can help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys and protect them from damage. Papaya seeds also contain several minerals, such as calcium, zinc, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are critical for maintaining healthy kidney function. Additionally, papaya seed extracts can prevent the formation of kidney stones by blocking the absorption of oxalates into the body. Lastly, papaya seeds may be beneficial for treating chronic renal diseases as they possess diuretic properties, which can help flush out toxins from the body. These features can improve overall kidney health and functioning. 4. Papaya seeds lower cholesterol levels. Papaya seeds are rich in nutrients that help lower cholesterol levels. The high fiber content of papaya seed helps bind bile acids and expel them from the body. The liver produces bile acids, and they contain cholesterol. By eliminating bile acids through fiber consumption, cholesterol levels can decrease significantly. Additionally, papaya seeds are packed with polyunsaturated fatty acids, including omega-3s, which help reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL cholesterol levels. Papaya seeds also feature an abundance of antioxidants, such as lutein. These antioxidants can help remove toxins from the body, which may otherwise contribute to higher cholesterol levels or other health issues. Furthermore, these antioxidants protect cells from free radical damage, which can lead to chronic inflammation associated with cardiovascular disease and other conditions that increase the risk for heart problems. By protecting cells from oxidative stress, papaya seeds could help reduce the risk of developing heart conditions associated with high cholesterol levels. Lastly, consuming papaya seed extract has been shown to inhibit the activity of enzymes involved in fat digestion and absorption in the small intestine, thus reducing fat accumulation within cells. Fat accumulation can lead to higher blood lipid concentrations like triglycerides and aldols, both indicators of elevated blood cholesterol levels. 5. Papaya seeds nourish the skin. Papaya seeds contain a variety of beneficial nutrients that can provide nourishment to the skin. These nutrients include vitamins A, C, E, and K, omega-3 fatty acids, and enzymes such as papain, which helps to break down proteins and exfoliate dead skin cells. The antioxidants in papaya seeds can help protect against free radical damage caused by environmental stressors like sun exposure. Also, the fatty acids in papaya seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce redness and swelling associated with acne or other skin conditions. Papaya seed oil is especially effective at moisturizing dry skin due to its high linoleic acid content. Applying it to the face can help retain moisture while enhancing healthy skin cell growth. In addition, papaya seed extract has been studied for its potential wound healing benefits when applied topically on cuts or burns. All these beneficial components make it an ideal ingredient for skincare products such as lotions and creams designed to nourish the skin. 6. Papaya seeds reduce inflammation. Papaya seeds feature potent compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds, such as papain and papain, are proteolytic enzymes that help break down proteins into smaller molecules. Papain has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation in the body caused by various diseases and conditions. It works by blocking the release of inflammatory agents in the body, including cytokines, prostaglandins, histamines, leukotrienes, and lipoxins. They help reduce swelling and irritation associated with inflammation. Additionally, papaya seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent further damage due to oxidative stress. This stress is prevalent in inflamed tissue. 7. Papaya seeds have antibacterial properties. Papaya seeds are a natural remedy for fighting off harmful bacteria. They bear an active compound called papain, which has strong antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that papain can inhibit the growth of up to 90% of common bacterial species, including Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Papaya seeds show promise in treating other infections, such as Salmonella and Shigella dysentery. This feature is available thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects. These seeds have proven effective at killing bacteria due to their active compound papain. As such, they provide an all-natural solution for combating various bacterial infections while boosting overall health simultaneously. 8. Papaya seeds help relieve menstrual cramps. Papaya seeds contain numerous compounds that benefit women's health, particularly during menstruation. The enzymes in these seeds can help break down proteins in the body, reducing bloating and cramps associated with periods. Besides, they are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds such as linoleic acid and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce swelling and pain. Additionally, the vitamins in papaya seeds may help support hormone production and balance hormones. Papaya also contains plant phytosterols that enhance female reproductive organs by enabling them to function more efficiently during menstruation. These factors are why papaya seeds relieve menstrual cramps and pain without over-the-counter medications or other treatments. As you can see, papaya seeds can be a powerful ally in promoting better health. They are packed with antioxidants, amino acids, and minerals that can help aid digestion, support liver health, and fight infection. Additionally, papaya seeds may help to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. And if you are looking for something to add a little zing to your smoothies or salads, look no further than papaya seeds. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 health benefits of cucumbers you need to know. Thanks for watching and bye for now.